guys, the Toys Collector here. Today I will be opening this Shopkins So Cool Fridge. I'm really excited because this playset comes with 6 Mini Shopkins. And this is how the back of the box looks like. The Shopkins are just chilling in the fridge. Also, this playset includes 2 exclusive super cool Shopkins. So let's just go ahead and open this playset up. Okay guys, this is how the So Cool Fridge looks like, and here are the exclusive Shopkins. The exclusive Shopkins are soda and the frozen yogurt gurti. Super cute, they're translucent. Here are the 6 Mini Shopkins. There's a closer look at the Mini Shopkins. This playset also comes with 2 Shopkins shopping bags, a cup to hold the ice, and also some Shopkins stickers to put on the So Cool Fridge, or you can also add these stickers on your notebooks, your agendas, whatever you'd like. They're super cute, guys. Shall we decorate the fridge first? Let's go! Add this list on the fridge. There's the Shopkins logo. Here's the freezer. Next to maybe a heart. Cupcake queen. A star, delish donut, a bow, and apple blossom. Then we'll add bubbles on top. And here's how our So Cool Fridge looks like with all the added stickers. It's super cool that you can customize this So Cool Fridge. Okay guys, before filling our So Cool Fridge, I'd like to open a Shopkins 12-pack of special edition frozen Shopkins because there's Cool Cube and we need Cool Cube for this So Cool Fridge. So let's open this frozen Shopkins special edition 12-pack. Okay guys, this 12-pack includes Silky, Miss Twist, Tommy Ketchup, Coolio, Spilt Milk, Dollops, Cool Cube, Candy Kisses, Little Sipper, and Frankfurter. So I got this just for Cool Cube, yay! And also there's a basket with a hidden Shopkin. Also, this 12-pack comes with 4 Shopkins shopping bags, super cool! Let's see who's inside. And the 2 Shopkins that we got are Delish Donut and Bubble Tubs. super cute. They're both so sparkly. Okay guys, I think it's time to fill up our So Cool fridge. Yay, our fridge is full. And we still need to add to our freezer. So I'll add a snow crush and close the freezer. Now it's time for Cool Cube to come down this slot. All you need to do is put your adorable cup right here and push. And there you have it. Super cool. Let's do it one more time. You add Cool Cube right here. Push. Super cool. Shall we try it with another Shopkin? Yeah, we should. I'm going to be trying it with Snow Crush. Yay! We have Snow Crush and Cool Cube. Here's the super cool Cool Cube. He's translucent. Yay! What do you guys think about this So Cool fridge? And what was your favorite Shopkin? Very cool. There's our Shopkins one last time. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this Shopkins So Cool fridge. Let me know in the comment section which Shopkin was your favorite. Also, please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Also subscribe for the latest videos right here on the Toys Collector. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!